Do you want to know how long your employees have been with your company? Today, inshallah, we will learn how to calculate employee seniority, simple and accurate way. Now you can see the screen, MB code, MB name, job, join date and seniority. This join date maybe you can change the format, just right click and format cell. Then you can select the type from here, maybe day, month, year, or maybe year, month, day. I selected DDMM YY format, day, month, year format. Now to find the seniority, we can use this function date diff. It has three parts. First D2 means this join date, this is our input cell. Then today is a function to find the current date. And third Y means to calculate year, we can use the Y. Also to calculate month, we can use the same function with the YM and for day MD. In middle you can see the text years, months, days, the text. So here one function is there and text is there. To concatenate this function and text, we can use the ampersand symbol. Thank you.